In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and access Google Sheets on your desktop using Google Chrome. We'll walk through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear so you can get to your spreadsheets quickly and focus on your work. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop. If it's already open, make sure you're on a new or available tab so you can type in the address bar. The address bar is at the top of the browser window. It's where you normally see website addresses. Now click into the address bar, type sheets.google.com, and press Enter. This takes you straight to Google Sheets on the web. If you're already signed into your Google account in Chrome, Sheets will load right away. If not, you'll see a sign-in screen. Go ahead and sign in with your Google account. You might be prompted to choose from existing accounts or enter your email and password. If you use a work or school account, select the appropriate one so you see the right files. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Sheets homepage. Think of this as your control center for spreadsheets. Here, you'll see your recent files and, in many cases, suggested templates. If you're returning to a project, simply click the spreadsheet you want from the list and it will open in a new tab. If you're starting something new, look for the large plus icon labeled Blank. Clicking Blank opens a fresh, empty spreadsheet, perfect for creating a budget, a task tracker, or anything else you need. A quick tip: if you work with Sheets often, consider bookmarking Sheets. Google.com in Chrome so you can get back here with a single click. You can also use the search bar on the Sheets homepage to quickly find a file by its name, which can save time if you have a lot of documents. There's also another way to reach your spreadsheets. In the address bar, type drive.google.com and press Enter. This opens Google Drive, which is your broader file hub for docs, sheets, slides, and more. From here, you can navigate to your spreadsheets. Sheets files have a green icon. Click any file to open it in Google Sheets, just like before. This route is helpful if you're organizing files in folders or you want to browse everything in one place. And that's it. Open Chrome, go to sheets.google.com, sign in if needed, and either open an existing spreadsheet or start a new one with Blank. Or head to drive.google.com and launch your Sheets from there. You're all set to get working.